GCSE Maths, an exam style question from an OCR 2023 higher tier paper going over bearings. Okay, so question 19. The diagram shows the positions of three towns A, B, and C. Okay, and it's not the scale. So the bearing of town B from A is 53 degrees. Okay, so of B from A. So we start at A, obviously go to B. So that's going to be this angle here. Okay, so that's going to be 53 degrees. Okay. Again, so sorry, that missed like a little zero off. Next part, the bearing of town C from B is 108, so that's going to be this angle here. Okay. Then it says EB equals 35 kilometers, and then BC equals 61 kilometers. Calculate AC. You must show your work. Again, it's a 5-mark question. So, step 1, using one of my laws of angles in parallel lines, the allied angles, so co-interior angles add to make 180. So this is going to equal to 180 minus 53. It is a calculator paper. So let's just quickly do it on my calculator. So 180 minus 53, that'll be 127 degrees. What next, guys? Well, I know that angles around a point to make 360, so this angle is going to equal to 360, subtract or minus 127, and then take away 108. That's going to be 125 degrees. Now, here's the key. Now that I've got two side lengths and an angle in between, I can use the cosine rule to work out length AC. Okay, remember the cosine rule, I use it when I have two side lengths and an angle in between. Okay, so an angle sandwiched between two side lengths. Okay, so I can use the cosine rule, which is given to you in this year's formula. Okay, so this calendar year. Again, if you're watching it in the future, then it might not be given to you. So obviously bear that in mind. It is given on the 2025 cohort, okay, for exams. So it's going to be E squared, okay, which is going to be AC squared. So we're going to have EC squared equals EB squared. So that'll be 35 squared, 61 squared, okay, minus 2BC, so minus 2 times 2 side lengths, so minus 2 times 35 times 61 times cos of my angle, okay, so times cosine 125, okay. Don't forget at the end, obviously square root here, so obviously don't forget that, let's just obviously plug it in first, okay, so we're gonna have 35 squared plus 61 squared minus 2 times 35 times 61 times cos of 125, close brackets, okay, so I get 7,395.171383. If I now press square root and then answer, oh no, it's not on there. Oh no. So let's enter so square root. So 35 squared plus 61 squared minus 2 times 35 times 61 times cosine of 125. Okay, so answer is going to be 7,395 .171383 on the Casio ClassWiz. Okay, I'm now going to press square root answer, but there's no answer button here. So I'm going to press AC, then I'm going to press square root of 7,395.171383. Press execute, and I get the final answer to be 85.995 kilometers to 3 decimal places or 86 the nearest whole number. Okay, so 85 or 86 again, yeah, like I try to, yeah, to obviously avoid rounding again to right at the end. Again, yeah, it's not actually specified here. Yeah, they will obviously accept, yeah, the full answer as well of 85.99518.232. That will also work. Okay, so that was quite a challenging bearings, yeah, and cosine rule question for GCSE higher, worth 5, I believe, yeah, 5 or 6 marks. No CR past paper, but again, it's going to appear on AQA or EdXL. Higher tier calculator papers, okay, looking at the cosine rule used in context in applied situations. Thank you very much.